Hey friends, today we're going to look at reading and creating compound words. Do you know what a compound word is? If you thought that a compound word is a word that is made up of two words, then you are absolutely correct. Let's take a look at some examples. What is this a picture of? This is a backpack. I hear two words in backpack. I hear the words back and pack. A backpack is a pack that a person carries on his or her back. Therefore, backpack is a compound word. Its meaning comes from the meanings of the two words that make up the word, back and pack. A pack that someone wears on their back. See how that works? Pretty cool, right? Let's take a look at another one. This is a sandcastle. I'm sure some of you have built a sandcastle in your day. This is another example of a compound word. The two words in sandcastle are sand and castle. A sandcastle is a model castle made out of sand. See how we can use those two words to make the one word sandcastle? A castle made out of sand. Pretty interesting how that works, right? All right, let's look at the word firefighter. Now, I have broken up firefighter into two words. Fire, we all know what a fire is, and a fighter, something that puts out the fire. Well, if I put firefighter together into one word, it makes the compound word firefighter. That is someone who fights fires. We've all heard of a firefighter, right? They're the people you call if you have a fire or an emergency. Therefore, the word firefighter is a compound word, a word that is made up of two base words. All right, I have a job for you. I have three compound words here. I have barefoot, I have keyboard, and I have flashlight. I would like you to pause this video and see with your learning guide if you can break apart these three compound words into their two smaller base words. And then play the video when you're ready to check your work. All right, friends, let's check your work. The first word is barefoot. If you chunked the word bare and foot, you were correct. When you are barefoot, it means your feet have nothing on them. Bare meaning nothing on there, and your feet. So foot being bare means there's nothing on there. You're not wearing socks, you're not wearing shoes. The next example is keyboard. If you chunked the word keyboard into the two words key and board, then you were right. A keyboard is a board that is full of keys, right? Let's look at our computers. Do you see that? Our keyboard is a board, normally underneath your monitor, if you have a laptop or a desktop, that has a bunch of keys. All right, the last one was flashlight. If you chunked flashlight into flash and light, you were correct. A flashlight is something where you can make light in a flash. Pretty quickly you can get some light. I hope you guys did a great job, but I'm sure that you did. All right, I have one more job for you before we move on. Now, I have listed 8 words for you. Now, these are 8 base words. We have the words lady, play, star, oat, meal, bug, house, and fish. Now, whether you want to do this on a sheet of paper with a pencil or a pen or a marker, or if you have a whiteboard at home, you can do whatever you would like to do. However, what I would like you to do with these 8 words is to combine them into 4 compound words. Okay? So we're going to take these 8 words, these 8 base words, and we're going to turn them into 4 compound words. Let's see. Lady oat. That doesn't sound right, so that must not be a compound word. All right, let me try again. Bugfish. Is there such a thing as a bugfish? No, so I must be matching up the wrong base words. With your learning guides, I want you to pause this video, see if you guys can come up with the 4 compound words that I'm looking for, and then when you are ready, go ahead and play the video to check your work. Good luck! All right, friends, let's see how you did. If you put the words lady and bug together to make the word ladybug, you were right. A ladybug is a bug that is usually a female. So it's a ladybug. I'm sure you've seen some pretty ladybugs, right? Those are those red bugs with the black spots on them, and sometimes they have yellow spots. Playhouse. I'm sure that at some point you have played in a playhouse. It is a house that you play in, whether it be a dollhouse or one of the real life playhouses that you can get into, even maybe a tree house, right? We could call that a playhouse. Maybe sometimes you eat oatmeal for breakfast. If you put the words oat and meal together, you have the word oatmeal. And last but not least, we had the word starfish. Now, I put bugfish together to get you guys thinking. A starfish is an actual fish that you would see in the ocean that looks like a star, made up of the words star and fish. You guys have done a great job today on learning about compound words. Now, what I would like you to do in your Readers and Writers Journal is to complete page 103 with your learning guide and have your learning guide review your answers when you are all done. Great job today, friends!